What's up, guys? Welcome back again. So today I want to quickly address this in respect to the bustling messages on my DM asking me I should recommend which good indicator I know. Though actually I myself, I don't use indicator, I don't depend on indicator. I do my analysis, do the technical analysis, and also carry out along with the fundamental analysis. But as a newbie who is still struggling to learn those technical or fundamental analysis, I believe this will actually be of help as well. So, and which I share some tutorial back then, which I believe if you have watched those videos, you should have learned something one or the other. So now today I want to quickly show you how to perfectly make use of MA, which is moving average. This moving average alone is enough for you. You don't need all these fancy indicator, you don't need all this fancy blah 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 like that. So this indicator actually work both forex and crypto, and trust me, if you spend your time, if you focus on it, you will definitely see the result. Trust me on this, but I am saying you should trust me on this doesn't mean I am asking you to or forcing you to trade with it. Remember, I am not your financial advisor. I am only sharing based on educational purpose, and what actually worked for me is what I bring out to share with you guys. And if you still find it very complex to understand, you can actually reach out to us in the community. You know how we do it. So I'm going to show you how to set up this moving average indicator, but before that, this is the rules I designed for it. Remember, like I always said, nobody was born with strategy. We all develop our own strategy. So you yourself, you can find something and you do it once, two, you keep trying it multiple times and it work for you, you can actually call it your own strategy. So this indicator is a combination of two moving average, which is 14 and 50 moving average. So, and as you can see here, as the indicator cross from this place here, you see the market actually drive up here. Look at it, look at how the market moves so crazy. So I'm actually using 5 minutes for this, and trust me, I'm going to show you even on the crypto as well, on the forex as well. You see that this indicator is little powerful. So here again, as you can see, the market cross here, the indicator cross here, and the market moved down very massively. So if you are being just, you know what, you don't need many crypto or many coin to focus on. You can just look for one volatile crypto and focus on it and keep milking it. That is the secret of how some people make money. You don't need from jumping to this, jumping to that. All you need is just one or two, just two two crypto coin, talking of coin. Just focus on those and be monitoring them. You will, trust me, you will make a lot of money. If you have been monitoring a token, you will make a lot of money. Instead of you jumping to this, to that, you will sometimes confuse. But if you just pick two, go to this dex no so sorry go to the trading view and look for the most volatile token. You can even go to Google and look for the most volatile token, and from there you can apply this indicator. So once you can monitor it, you just be milking your milk, whatever, you just be milking it. You know, this is crypto is not FX that you do to edge, but I don't know, maybe you can, some exchange allow, like Binance now, it allow you to do edging, like buy and sell. So but this, you just have to follow this rule. So you can see it now. Look at it, look at the way the market moves so forward. Look at it here, look at it, just with just your 5 minutes and the market is moving. Look at it. Once it crossed the market, this indicator just crossed. Before I started this video, it just crossed, and look at it, the market actually moved so down. You can just be milking it using this. So now, how to set up this indicator? You just look for your EMA. Look at this EMA, exponential moving average. But before that, you come to your settings here. Look at this, you click on this. If you are using MEXZ or you are using any other platform to trade, maybe get.io, Binance, you can just look for the setting. Once you go to the chart, you can look for the settings and you click on the setting here, and as you can see here, you can see indicators here. Just click on the indicators, and once you click on the indicator, you come to the MA, this one, this EMA. You click on this EMA, and as you can see here, you set this, just these two, you just set this, you untick, because it's going to give you like 3, so you have to untick them. After you untick them, you just set this. Look at it. If I want to reset this, if I want to change this, maybe if I want to remove this 20, look at it, I remove it, and look at this, I only have 50 and 14 EMA, and the width, you can just adjust it to bold it, and the color. So now you can set the color. The 50 EMA should be red color, why the 14 EMA should be blue color, so that you won't get confused. Now you can click on OK and go back to your chart, and look at it. Voila, look at the way the market is moving. Let's quickly check out another PS again and see if actually it's working. So as you can see here, the indicator actually crossed. So anytime you see the moving average, red moving average is on top, which is the 50 moving average, that means the market is going to crash down. And when you see it's cross here, you ensure you cross it. Cross like this one now, it's actually cross here, and the market flash up, but it doesn't stay much. So what you need to do is always set your stop loss. Anytime you are in the market and you are already in the profit, if you are using this for scalping, once you are in the profit, always adjust your stop loss to your break even, which is where you enter. Adjust your stop loss in case the market flash back. It won't take any amount from you. But trust me, once you see a profit, you just take your profits and move on. You don't need to stay much long in the market, as long as you are monitoring just 2 to 3 pairs. So that is just how you are going to use this indicator. And look at the way market flash. Though there was maybe some news or something like that make this market move. So now let me quickly show you that of the Forex as well. So you can use both in Forex and also, so it is. So this is the Forex, and as you can see, this is gold. Look at it here. You see it cross here, and the market actually flash up. Just look at how the market flash up. This is gold as well. So let's backtest it. Look at it. Just look at it. This is just so simple, and that is all. Look at it. You cross it. Once it cross, the market flash, and that is all. So if you just follow this guide, you won't lose again. Trust me, it will be very complex for you to lose. Whenever you are in the market and you already place your trade, just set your stop loss. Once you are in the profit and you see that the indicator has already crossed, like now, let's say you notice that indicator cross here, and you enter the market here. Once the market move up, just set your stop loss above your entry, and you leave the market to be going. You keep adjusting your stop loss, you keep adjusting it, just keep following it till indicator starts misbehaving. And I actually make use of it in 5 minutes. So that is just it. So let me quickly show you the setting here. You come to the setting here. Sorry, I just use this factor, is not actually working. So the moving average here. So now the setting here is the first moving average, which is 50, 50 moving average and the exponential moving average. Now this is little different. The apply will be closed or something like that, so you need to set it to typical market price here, typical market price, and that's all. And just adjust this. You can choose any of the color, but I use red for the 50 moving average. That's all. And you come to the second indicator, the second moving average, the same thing as well, 14 exponential and typical price, and you adjust this like this, and that is all. Voila, you are done with it. That is just all. So you can just go ahead and check the market. So let's say we want to make use of let's see it on the step index, though I haven't used it on the step index. I only use on gold, and as you can see, it's actually working even here as well. Just look at it, it's actually working. So let's assume you see this here, you see this here, and you enter here. You know what to do. You just put your stop loss very close or above your entry, and once the market flash up and it try to retrace back, it will know you are not going to be in loss. You are still going to be in little profit. It's just that the profit will be less. So this is just, I actually make use of 5 minutes, but you can make use of maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, but I make use of 5 minutes. So that is it. Let's check our volatility index as well. So as you can see here, the indicator cross from here, and the market actually move using these 5 minutes. Just look at it. Look at since when indicator cross here. Look at it. Look how the market is massively moving. So with this, I believe it will actually help those who are asking me to recommend indicator. So but trust me, if you can still learn the technical analysis, learn how to draw your support and resistance, also Fibonacci retracement is also one of the one I use mostly. I use trending line, I use support and resistance, and I use fair value gap. So but this is just for scalping, which you can just be taking out your daily 2k from here, and that is all. And with taking that, you can also start learning as well. So if you have any question in regarding to this, please feel free to ask, and I will be very happy to answer you. So trust me, if you still have any challenge or any other thing, and if you want to have me one-on-one for just 30 minutes or 1 hour, I am very free. You can contact me one-on-one to discuss whatsoever that is bothering you or anything in respect to forex or crypto as well. So see you in our next tutorial. Sure. And please again, I am begging us, let's build up this community. I actually appreciate each and every one of you that have been supporting this community right from zero down to we are more than thousands now, and I actually really appreciate you. Trust me, and we can do more by sharing. Let's invite more people. Let's build up this community together. We are family already. So see you.